This 2024 Heartland Pioneer BH270 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 32 feet 6 inches in length. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.